bright future waits you.
Queen Mary's A&M Training School.
Our school facilities,
Lab facility.
good faculty service,
Practical training.
library facility,
Hostel facility.
canteen facility,
Extracurricular activities.
transport facility.
We train you as a professional nurse and to do selfless service to the society. Eligibility for admission 12th pass with 50% mark.
Maths and all science group and other groups only for girls.
Do you want your dream to come true? Comes to Queen Mary's A&M Training School, Nenmeli, Chengalpattu.